Fa Family Muslimah.
Hi kids, let's start making an ice cream. This is the cone part. And here is the creamy, yummy, fluffy ice cream. It is full of sprinkles.
Wow!
Next we make the checks on this waffle cone. Let's make the checks.
Let's go.
It is done. Now I am making two cute eyes of this ice cream. Sparkly eyes. Oh, it looks so cute.
Wow!
Let's color in it. Red color. Blue eyes. And the pink ice cream. Yummy, delicious ice cream. Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Ice cream is very sweet. It looks so cute. Now I am doing brown color in the waffle part of this cone. Waffle part is very crunchy and delicious. Almost done. Our cute, sweet and yummy ice cream is ready.
Family Muslimah for learning, playing and coloring videos for kids and toddlers. Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.